Indulge in the decadent delight of homemade vegan Ferrero Rocher with this easy and delightful recipe. Perfect for satisfying your sweet tooth, these vegan treats offer a rich, nutty experience that closely mirrors the iconic confection. Here's a description of how you can create these delightful chocolate hazelnut balls in your own kitchen. Begin by preheating your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 175 degrees Celsius. Spread a cup of raw hazelnuts evenly on a baking sheet and roast them for about 10 to 12 minutes. You'll know they're ready when the kitchen fills with their fragrant aroma and the skins start to crack. Once roasted, allow the hazelnuts to cool slightly. Then, using a kitchen towel, rub the hazelnuts to remove most of their skins, revealing their smooth, golden surfaces. Next, prepare the filling that forms the heart of your vegan Ferrero Rocher. In a food processor, blend the roasted hazelnuts, reserving 12 whole ones for later, until they turn into a fine powder. Add in half a cup of pitted dates, a quarter cup of cocoa powder, a teaspoon of vanilla extract, and a quarter teaspoon of salt. Process these ingredients together until they combine into a sticky, cohesive dough that's both rich in flavor and texture. Now, it's time to form the iconic balls. Take a small amount of the dough and flatten it in the palm of your hand. Place one of the reserved whole hazelnuts in the center and gently wrap the dough around it, rolling it into a smooth ball. Repeat this process with the remaining dough and hazelnuts, crafting each ball with care. Once all your balls are formed, place them in the refrigerator for about 30 minutes to firm up. This step ensures that the filling holds together well when coated with chocolate. For the luscious coating, melt 1 cup of dark chocolate using a double boiler or microwave. Ensure the chocolate is smooth and glossy. Dip each hazelnut ball into the melted chocolate, making sure it's fully coated in the rich, dark chocolate. Immediately roll the chocolate-coated balls in half a cup of chopped hazelnuts, pressing gently to ensure the nuts adhere evenly to the surface. Finally, place the coated balls on a parchment-lined baking sheet and refrigerate them until the chocolate is set and firm. This chilling process solidifies the chocolate, creating a perfect, crisp shell. Once set, your homemade vegan Ferrero Rocher are ready to be enjoyed. The full completely free recipe is in the video description. Enjoyed the sneak peek? Show some love, hit the like and subscribe button.